Looking for a versatile and economical mounting solution for your exposed fastened corrugated metal roof? The S5 CorruBracket 100T is a top fix attachment for corrugated metal roof profiles of imperial dimensioning commonly found in North America. Mounting into the crest of the corrugation, the versatile CorruBracket 100T can serve as a sheeting-only attachment for light to medium duty applications, or as a sheeting into structure attachment to provide greater holding strength for heavy duty items. And installation couldn't be easier. You'll want to be sure you've got the right tools on hand first. We recommend a screw gun, string line, tape measure, and a rag if the roof is soiled. Help keep a weatherproof seal by wiping any dirts or oils from the roof surface with a rag before installing the brackets. If your installation requires brackets to be placed in horizontal alignment, install a single CorruBracket 100T on each end of the roof at a measured, consistent distance from the eave. Use a string line between the two brackets. Mount the remaining CorruBrackets along the string line. When attaching into the roof sheeting only, attach the 100T into the crown of the corrugated panel with the included self-piercing screws, fastening through the pre-punched holes. Use all 4 screws for best holding strength. Slide in the included M8 1.25 hex flange nut into the top groove of the bracket. You can now install the PV stud for direct attach solar applications with the S5 PV kit, or install other ancillaries by using a standard S5 M8 bolt through the slotted top hole and the hex flange nut. When attaching into the sheeting and support structure, determine the location of the supporting structure of the roof. Secure the CorruBracket 100T by driving appropriate screws through the pre-punched holes and into the supporting structure of the roof. Use all 4 screws for best holding strength. If that's not possible, always use the 2 upslope hole locations. Slide in the included M8 1.25 hex flange nut into the top groove of the bracket. You can now install ancillaries by using a standard S5 M8 bolt through the slotted top hole and hex flange nut. When it comes to North American exposed fastened corrugated roofing, you can count on the CorruBracket 100T as a quality, tested, and flexible mounting solution built to last the life of your metal roof. Whether you're interested in learning more or ready to buy, visit s-5.com or contact our technical support team and we'll help guide you to the right option.